In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video collage in Kapwing. Video collages are a fantastic way to combine multiple clips seamlessly, whether you're working on a project for fun, school, or social media. First, let's kick things off by visiting Kapwing's website. It's a versatile, user-friendly online platform that's perfect for creating content efficiently. Once you're there, you'll notice the Sign In option in the top corner. Clicking here will prompt you to log into your account, and for convenience, Kapwing allows you to sign in using your Google account, ensuring a quick and secure login process. After you've chosen your Google account, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard. Select or create a new project folder if needed, and you're ready to dive into crafting your video collage. Start by adding your first video to your project. Click on your media library, select the video you want to include, and import it to the editor. Once the video is added, you'll want to resize it for the collage format. To do this, simply click on the video, and with the resizing tool, drag the corners until you reach the desired size. It's important to maintain the aspect ratio so your video doesn't appear stretched or squished. With the first video positioned, it's time to add another one. Head back to your media library, grab the next video clip, and bring it into your canvas. Use the same drag and drop technique to place it beside the first one and adjust the size as needed. If you're unsure about the spacing or alignment, Kapwing offers grid lines that can assist in lining everything up neatly, ensuring a professional-looking result. As you add more videos, you might want to reposition them for optimal aesthetics. This is as simple as clicking and dragging them to the perfect spot on your canvas. Keep in mind the overall composition of your video collage. You want all videos to be visible and balanced, providing a visually pleasing result. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and all videos are in place, review your collage to ensure that it meets your intended vision. Finally, when you're happy with your video collage, it's time to wrap up the project. Click the Done or Export button, and Kapwing will process the video for you. Within moments, you'll have a polished video collage that you can download and share across any platform you choose. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to creating a stunning video collage in Kapwing. Enjoy the process of combining your videos into unique collages, and feel free to experiment with different layouts and styles to suit your storytelling needs.